So I just washed my hair and I'm about to braid it. And I just figured I would share this little tip for how I can braid my hair on my own. But first, I have to blow dry it, so let's get into it. Okay, so my tip actually deals with starting out like box braids and such. Because I feel like the hardest thing, at least for me, is seeing the back of your head. So what you actually need is 2 devices. Now, this is actually my old iPhone and this is my iPad. I also have a MacBook. I mean, so I do have a lot of Apple devices, but what if you don't have a lot of devices? You can use your significant other's phone. What if you don't have a significant other? You can use a friend's phone, but I feel like at that point you could just ask your friend to part your hair. So, I mean, this is just for anybody who happens to have 2 devices, and you can actually FaceTime. Or if you don't have an Apple device, you can like call yourself on Snapchat or something. So this is a shot of what I see when I do this. This is me parting my hair. And then this is a shot of what my hair looks like after it's all parted. So I actually did the braids first, but then I added some hair to make them boho braids. It turned out pretty cute. It's big. It's cute.